On the shores of Samoa's Savaii, a young fisherman ventured too far into the deep, lured by the siren song of a malevolent sea spirit. As the waves began to swallow him whole, hope seemed lost in the vast Pacific blue. But from the mists of Mount Silicili, a magnificent glowing frigate bird appeared. With wings spread wide and eyes aflame, it dove beneath the churning waters, grasping the fisherman in its magical talons. In a burst of light and sea spray, they emerged, soaring high above Upolu's lush valleys. The bird carried him to safety on a golden beach, where the spirits of ancient warriors stood guard. As the sea spirit retreated in defeat, the frigate bird transformed into a smiling old woman, keeper of Samoa's most sacred legends. Evil had tried to claim another soul, but in these islands, magic and kindness will always prevail.